Another cool thing we can do with Google Calendars is embed them directly into our courses. Let's start off where we finished last. Now that we've imported a calendar into our Google Calendar, we can now go into the settings. Let's make sure that it is shared, that it is public. That way our students can see the events on the calendar. Go back into calendar details, scroll down to embed this calendar. Click customize the color, size, and other options. We're brought to a page that has the code on top, and we can edit our calendars as we see fit. We can have a title, not have a title, get rid of these blue navigation buttons. We can get rid of the tabs over here that let students decide if they want to look at an agenda, month, or weekly schedule. And taking that away kind of gives us some direction with how we want the calendar to appear and where we want it to appear. Were we to put it in a block, we would probably want to go agenda style. I'd probably make this a little bit smaller, that way it's a little bit more manageable for student screens. I'll probably shrink it a little bit vertically. And we could take this code up here, do Control A, Control C, let's go to the course page. As you can see, I've already set this up here, but what did I do to get that set up? I went down to add a block, and I chose, where is it, HTML. Click that. What I ended up with was a new block that showed up right in this area here. When that showed up, I just clicked the gear. So let me go back into the gear here. I clicked configure block. On the side, I named it schedule. And to actually have it show up in this block, when you show up, it just looks like this. So you toggle this little button here, and we click the edit HTML source. Now we take the code from here and we paste it right into here. And edit, you can make changes to where you want to show up. I like my stuff to show up on the right toward the top. So that's what we went with. I also do that for on this page as well. You get that one as well too. And then you can have your agenda style calendar on this side. This calendar is different from the one we just did. This one has all-day events instead of time frames, and that's just to save space in the agenda format in the block. Other place we can put our calendars is right at the top. Go ahead and click the gear there. The process is the same as before. We're going to click these little carrots here, go back to our schedule, and we can do it by month, or we can do it by week, whatever is your preference. In case of week, we've got a lot of empty space here, so we probably want to fix that. A little bit more manageable. I'd probably even do it smaller than that. Another option is to go by month, in which case you're going to want it probably bigger than what it appears right now. But however you choose to have it show up on their screens, we just need to take our code, copy it all, go back into here, paste, click update. We don't have to worry about showing up on the left or the right. We just click save changes. And now we've got our course Google Calendar posted at the top of our page. This is really great for any classes that have a lot of direct instruction that happen at the same time no matter what. So students would not be able to edit this. It would just be to let them know when stuff is happening. You can put your office hours in here or any sort of information that is static and unchanging. Another good idea is putting our 9-week schedules in there. It'll help students follow along. That way they've kind of got a guide to go off of. It wouldn't match anything that they've edited on their own, but it does definitely have its functions. So let me know if this is helpful for you guys or any other cool tips you have for how you can work Google Calendars into your courses. Thanks.